We have a heads up for computer users. Thousands of Americans may lose their internet service next week. If your computer is infected with the DNS changer virus, you will lose access to the internet on Monday. USA Today reports the virus was part of an online advertising scam that redirected computers to fake servers. The FBI arrested the hackers last year, but agents had to set up a clean internet server to take the place of the malicious servers so infected computers wouldn't lose their service. Come this Monday, that system is being shut down. To see if your computer has the virus, look for this story on KSDK.com. Check the Don't Miss section. We have a link on the story to a site where you can find out if your computer is infected. So this story is one of the most popular on our website today.
It is, Lisa. Plenty of you have questions, and we are getting answers. This afternoon, we reached out to a computer expert to clear up what all this means. And Adam Gegg joins us from Computer Solutions here in the Information Center. You've come in before and explained all this to us, so thank you so much for coming again. Is it just PCs, or are Macs affected as well?
It is primarily a PC problem. We haven't run into any accounts of Macs being affected locally in the customers that we deal with, but I did do some research and I found some stories online where folks had problems with Macs, where they had tested that they found the problem on them and had a little bit of difficulty getting rid of them. More likely, I think it might have been because of other network issues than just the machine itself. One of the things that will happen once the malware gets into the machine is it will reach out and attempt to reconfigure your router. So if you have high-speed internet access from somebody like AT&T with DSL or UVerse or a cable modem, you've got a router at your house that controls that network connection. Once the malware gets into your computer, the first thing it wants to do is go out, reconfigure the router so that it has the same DNS problem that your computer has.
So that's what we found by talking with you this afternoon. This is not just your computer that you have to worry about. What happens when the router and the modem get involved?
Yeah, if it reaches that level of complexity, a lot of times it's beyond the reach of just your average user, and you'll have to reach out to either your internet service provider. They can try to walk you through manually resetting this stuff, or maybe reach out to a computer professional, somebody like ourselves, to come to your house and try to take care of it. But it's generally beyond the reach of your average user at that point.
So we're telling our viewers, and you were nice enough to share a lot of other sites where you can check and clean your computer should this thing be on it.
Yeah.
If the problem's in your modem or your router, will it fix that as well?
Generally, no. You'll have to contact your internet service provider at that point. Hopefully, it's as simple as just doing a reset. There's a little button in the back that you push the button on, and if that is effective at totally blanking the device, you should be back up and running.
Okay.
But there's really no guarantees at that point.
But if you run a check on your computer and you get something that looks like this, what does that mean?
Yeah. This is from a website that's available. It's dns-co.us. It's a free website. It simply checks your machine and displays a big green square if you're clean, or a big red square if it picks up evidence of the problem. If it does pick up evidence of the problem, it will show you links to websites that you can access to try to clean it up. If you're on a Mac, the fix is relatively straightforward. It's just a matter of changing a couple of numeric values in your system preferences. On the PC, it can be a lot worse. In some cases, they're recommending that you actually back up your data, wipe out your hard drive entirely, and then start the restore process, which can take days in some cases.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's hope that Monday comes and not too many people have a problem with this, but thanks for showing us what we're hoping to see on our computer screen.
Green is good.
Adam Gegg with Computer Solutions, thank you so much for coming in.